So we're at the Lloyd Taber-Marina del Rey Library. We've just reopened it. It's about a 6,500 square foot library, a pretty much complete renovation with new shelving panels, new carpet, new computers, new lighting system. We've renovated the bathrooms to make them ADA compliant. We've renovated the door to make that ADA compliant.
This was a $1 million renovation, literally, and I was able to fund this through a fund that I have in my 4th District office. It's called the 4th District Capital Fund, and it's money that I can appropriate however I see fit, and I pretty much felt like this warranted this kind of a renovation.
This one is more modern, it's more up to date, everything's more new, it's beautiful, and they're catering more to the kids, which I think is really a great thing.
And on top of those renovations, this library also has plenty of new technology for the public to make use of. 15 new computers for adults and a new laptop vending machine. This one is amazing.